Welcome back to my channel. My name is Antoinette, but you can call me Anto. If you're new here, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Every time I post a new video. If you've been here with me for a while now, thanks for coming back. I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, I appreciate everything. You guys are the real MVPs. These are trying times, and in times like this, we've been challenged to re-evaluate ourselves, find out the things that we are capable of doing, and try to find out our own skills that we have. Because just imagine, hair salons are closed. Are you gonna stay home like that, having a bad hair day all the time? In case you've been wondering how to do your hair by yourself, I'm just gonna show you how I do mine, and then hopefully you can learn one or two things from what I'm about to show you. We've been used to being served instead of serving, and because of that, we got stuck with the hair salons and the nail salons. And now that they've been closed, we have to figure it out and do it all by ourselves. So sisters, let's get into the video. In today's video, we are going to do a crochet braid. The hair we're going to use is called the 8-inch black wand curly braids Jamaican bounce. Don't worry about the name really. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. So this is how it looks like on Amazon. Yeah, I ordered the hair on Amazon and it came in a pack like this, Amazon Prime. I already opened it because I wanted to know how it looked like. So it came in 3 packs. This is 1, 2, and 3. So you see, the hair looks so nice. I hope it comes out like that. It has 22 strands in each pack. So 22 multiplied by 3, that is like 66. So we're going to use 66 strands of hair for the hairstyle. I haven't decided on what type of style I want, but we'll get to find out as we go in the video. Now, what are we going to need for this hairstyle? First of all, I have very thin hair, so every time I try to do my own crochet braids, I have to add attachments to my hair so it becomes a little bit thick so that the crochet braid will last longer. Because my hair is thin, if I fail to add extensions, the hairstyle will not last long because it is going to start getting loose by itself. So we are going to need hair extension, a comb, a handy dandy we're going to need a handy dandy crochet tool. These things come by sizes. It depends on the loop of the hair that you're using. The thicker the hair, the bigger the crochet tool. So this is smaller and this is bigger. The loop of that hair is a little bit quite thick, so I'll be using this because this is this hook, the hook of this crochet tool is bigger than this. You can see the difference, right? So I'm going to use the bigger one. I already started braiding my hair, so now I left 2 at the back. I'm just going to show you now how I do the braid at the back before we start the crochet. Make sure I comb this one out. And then I part. part it into two. When I finish doing the braid, I'm going to use my handy dandy tool and pass it under my hair, hook it up, close the hook, and pass it through my hair. And I repeat the process, pass it under my hair, hook it up, close the hook, and pass. And I repeat again, pass, hook, close, pass, hook, close, pass. That way you keep all the hair in place so you don't have any strand of hair out of place. I like my curly hair having volume. I like it voluminous, and because of that I'm going to open this up and make it two. This is one strand, so if I open it up, it's going to be two strands. So you see, this is now two strands, and that's how I'm going to do my hair. I'm going to pass my finger in this loop right here. You can see it, and I'm going to start here, pass the pin, hook it up, lock, pass, and then you keep the pin in the loop like that. Take the edge of this, pass through the pin, lock, and pass it through the loop. Another quick and easy way to pass the hair through the loop is what I'm about to show you right now. You take the hair, you pass, you hook it up, close the hook, pass, take out the hook, pass the hair through the loop. Pull it, and that's it. That's actually the fastest way to loop it. Pass, hook, close, pass, and pass. So guys, because I didn't want the video to be so long, I did all this off camera. Yeah, I have come this far. The purpose of these coming in the front is because I wanted to have some fringes in the front. So that's why I brought all this here, and I'm going to add some more. So guys, I was able to achieve this look. Yeah, the hair is curly and I decided to add some fringe. I decided to add some fringe to it. This is how it looks in the middle. Yeah, so this is it. Let me just give you a quick view of the back. Okay, first, this is the side view. Back. The other side. And front. For as long as you have your hair braided, it's easy and quick. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.